In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Clipchamp effects not loading properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to click in the search, type in the settings, and now once we're inside the settings, on the left hand side, look for the apps tab. Now to the right, click onto installed apps. Now we need to do a search for Clipchamp. So I'm going to type in clip, here it is here. So we're going to click on the three dots, click into advanced options. Then from here, I want to scroll down and repair it. So click on reset or repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. This app's data won't be affected, so click on repair. If the app still isn't working right, you can reset it as well. So we can go ahead and click on reset. And if you're still having issues, we can go ahead and uninstall the app and its settings. Your documents will not be affected, so uninstall and then go ahead and re-download Microsoft Clipchamp and download, install it, and that should fix your issues.